A big cheese. A big cheese means an important person. For example, she became a big cheese in politics. A cuckoo in the nest. It means a person who does not belong to a group. For example, the new student seemed a cuckoo in the nest. A litmus test. It means a decisive test to judge something. For example, the election became a litmus test of public opinion. At the heels of. It means very close behind. For example, trouble came at the heels of success. A game of two equal halves. It means a situation with two similar or balanced parts. For example, the project became a game of two equal halves. Afraid of one's own shadow. It means very easily frightened. For example, he behaved like someone afraid of his own shadow in danger. A dish fit for the gods. It means very delicious food. For example, the chef prepared a dish fit for the gods for the guests. Air one's dirty laundry. It means to make private matters public. For example, don't air your dirty laundry in public during meetings. A wake-up call. It means a warning that makes you realize something. For example, the accident became a wake-up call for better safety rules. Appear out of nowhere. It means to appear suddenly. For example, he appeared out of nowhere during the meeting unexpectedly. At someone's beck and call. It means always ready to obey someone. For example, the servant remained at his master's beck and call without complaint. At sixes and sevens. It means in a state of confusion or disorder. For example, their plans were at 6s and 7s due to poor coordination. Asleep at the switch. It means not paying attention to duty. For example, the staff were asleep at the switch during the emergency situation. A house of cards. It means something weak and likely to collapse. For example, their argument was a house of cards with no proof. At the bottom of the ladder. It means at the lowest position. For example, he started at the bottom of the ladder in the company. At arm's length. It means at a distance, not too close. For example, he kept the problem at arm's length instead of facing it directly. A bull in a china shop. It means a careless person who causes damage. For example, she moved like a bull in a china shop in the crowded room. A 9 days wonder. A 9 days wonder. For example, the news was a 9 days wonder and soon forgotten. A bit under the weather. It means feeling slightly unwell. For example, he looked a bit under the weather during the meeting yesterday. Bend your ears. It means to talk to someone for a long time. For example, he bent my ear about his problems all evening. Be bouncing off the wall. It means very excited. For example, the kids were bouncing off the walls after eating too much sugar. Bow and scrape. It means to behave in an overly polite way. For example, they bowed and scraped in front of the powerful leader. Brass monkey weather. It means extremely cold weather. For example, the players struggled to perform in the brass monkey weather conditions. Be tailor-made. It means perfectly suitable for a purpose. For example, his speech was tailor-made for the young audience present. Beat the drum. It means to strongly support or promote something. For example, she is beating the drum for environmental protection these days.